What's going on YouTube? Thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be talking about a program called OBS, and we're going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go head over to Google, type in OBS, and it's a very popular program, so it's going to be the first thing that pops up. You'll see it right here. It's obsproject.com. Just click right on the download. It's got your major operating system, so just click on Windows if you got Windows and hit download installer, and that's it on that part. So once it downloads, just pull up the program right here, and of course it's not going to look like this because I actually have my display up here, but I'm going to show you how to get that up here. So when you start off, it's just going to be a black screen. You're not going to see your face up there until you add all these objects in there. So to start off with, let's say you just want to add the display in there first. Okay, so you'll hit add. You come up here to display capture. It's going to pull this up right here. Don't have to worry about typing anything unless you just want to name it. Like let's say we titled it just say display. Leave it at that. Hit OK. And you don't have to worry about the settings. It's automatically going to have the recommended setting in there. So just hit OK, and that's going to pull that up there. All right, and then we can go ahead and delete the old display out of there. We don't need that. Hit the delete button. And now we want to add our camera back into the video. So I already have it in here, but let's go ahead and add. You're going to, let's see, where's it at? Go to video capture device. You can name that. Let's just name it camera. Whatever you like. Hit OK. And now this is where it's going to have all your devices that you have hooked into your computer. Me, I only have the one camera hooked into, so it's automatically selected. So hit that. You don't have to worry about any of the settings. They're already configured the way they need to be right off the bat. To you, just hit OK. And obviously, we just added the camera, but you don't see it on the screen. So you're just going to scroll right here to just click on the camera first, and these two arrows right here, these are basically going to move the layers back and forth. So we obviously want the camera to be on the front layer. So since we got the camera selected, just hit the top arrow a couple times. Hold on, I don't know what's going on here. Maybe because we have both of them on there. Hold on. Delete the first one, see if that helps. I'm just going to go and delete the camera real quick. There we go. Alright, see, it's got the camera that's pulled up. I think it's giving me an issue because I had the same camera already on there. So just hit OK, just like I told you earlier. Now, with your camera, just as well as your gameplay, you can click on it, you can move it wherever you want to. Me, I typically like to have it in the upper right hand corner, and you can make it big, you can make it small. It's entirely up to you. I like to stick it around there. And then if you want to do your Facecam Border, just go to Google, type in I'll try to help you right here. Just type in Facecam Border. Now just click images. Now the most important thing here, you're going to want to go to tools and go to color, and you want to click on transparent. That way there's no background that's going to interfere and show up when you put it behind or put it on top of your face. That way it's not covering up your face. You just click on any of these, just save image as. You can save it to your desktop, whatever you choose. And I already have one on my desktop, so that's the one I'm going to use. So just same concept, just hit the plus whenever you want to add anything to the video. And we're going to want to go to image. You can name this Facecam Border. It's up to you. And hit browse. Go to desktop and select it. This is where I keep mine right here, just temporarily. You're just going to open that up, hit OK. Now same concept, you can drag it around, you can resize it any way you want to. I typically stick it on that top right corner up there as close as I can get to it, and just drag this over to it. Boom. Now you got a Facecam border. So I mean, that's really all there is to it. So if you want to add your gameplay, I mean, you already have it on the display, so we can go pull up a game right now. Let's say we can pull up Apex Legends. Now it doesn't show me my face on my screen because we don't want it to block our field of view really. So I mean, I can sit here and play. I'm not seeing the camera, even though when it's recording, it's going to have the camera on there, so you don't have to worry about that being in your way at all. We'll go back to the program. Let's see. Alright, it's got our display back up there. So let's say you wanted to start recording. You can hit, of course mine says stop because I'm in the middle of recording, but just hit start right there and it'll record your gameplay. It's recording your face at the same time. That's really all there is to it. Now if you want to, you can, instead of doing this live, you can also put in gameplay that you've already recorded. So I can go down to add, I can go to media source and just hit OK. Just browse. I think I got some clips in here. So we just click on this first one right here. Just hit open. OK.
Congratulations.
And it's going to put it on the screen. And you're going to do the same thing you did earlier with the camera to overlap it on top of everything. So just go to your video capture device, move it up to the top. And same with your Facecam border, you got to move it up to the top. And then you can hit start record. And then basically you're just talking over your gameplay, which there's a lot of streamers, a lot of YouTubers that do that. But majority of them use this program. It's just a really easy program. It's a free program, and there's just not really any cons to using it. I haven't had any issues out of it so far. I'm still kind of new to the program, but I've been really liking it. So if you got any questions, just don't fear to comment. Just feel free to just shoot me a question. Like I said, I'm still kind of new at it, but I think I've got a majority of it figured out. But just thanks for the support. Deuces.